Hello and welcome back again, my friend. As every weekend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities as we saw, and we will enter in them. So if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. And by the way, as we started a new content in the channel, we put in every day analyzing the Bitcoin market. So if you are interested, you can even benefit from all those things free, my friend. And for the Forex, also we still put in every week a video, my friend. So also we try to boost in more that channel. So try to help us, my friend, to growing up more than that. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's start our journey of today, my friend. So my friend, as every weekend before we start, we're going to my browser to show you the coming news. So let's go into my browser to show you the coming news, my friend. As you see, my friend, here in my browser, in Sunday, what we got at 11:50 of GMT time, we got gross domestic product of Japan. So be aware of that one, my friend. In Monday, we don't got nothing. We just got retail sales of China. And also, we don't trade the Chinese currency. Sorry for that. If there is some Chinese, they follow me. In Tuesday, 16th of August, what we got at 1:30 meeting of the Aussie at 6 o'clock in employment at 6 o'clock of the morning in employment rate of UK. In Wednesday, 17th of August, what we got those things of New Zealand. Then at 6 o'clock of the morning by GMT time, I'm talking here, we got consumer price index or inflation index of UK, and it's going to come minus because USA is like the engine of the train, and the rest they just follow it like that. So it's like that, it's going to come, my friend. Then we got at 9 o'clock GDP of the EU. 12:30 we got retail sales of USA. Everything is too clear, my friend. In Thursday, 18th of August, we got an employment rate or an employment change of the Aussie at 1:30 after midnight, my friend. So be aware of those things, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let's going back to our broker to show you more, my friend. What is it there? Here we are, my friend, in my broker. As you see, what the market give you here, if you see here down, it give you here like a cup and handle, as you see it, my friend. And that one is a very well-known pattern, and it's being broken here. So you calculating from here to here. So maybe that market is going to go till that zone here, that one. So be aware of those things, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. But also we got here the downtrend. If it's broken, that means also we're going to go upward in that, my friend. Everything is too clear. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.04 585. Another level here, 1.03 538. Another level here, 1.02 476. And that one here, 1.01 240, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see here in the RSI, what we got, my friend, from here like that. We got a trend line. Every time he touches, he go back. And now he touched it. That's why I told you maybe it's going to go up. You are not going to enter short, my friend, always if there is a divergence. Or you can enter from now, enter long again, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So that's it for the EURUSD, my friend. The other pair we got is the cable, my friend. And the cable, if you see here in that zone, exactly what else we're showing you now, you got a head and shoulder, my friend. It hasn't been broken yet. When it's going to be broken, you calculate them from here to here. Then you put the target here, I think, at that zone here, my friend. Everything is too clear. So you need to wait in that head and shoulder when it's going to break in, my friend. And even that channel, because that channel also being followed for a long time, my friend. All the time it's being following, also we follow it. So be aware of those things, my friend. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.26 494. Another level here, 1.24 759. Another level here, 1.22 665. And that one here, 1.21 808. And that one here, 1.19 614, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Even here in the RSI is the same thing, my friend. We got a trend line. Every time he touches, he go up. So now my view to it, maybe it's going to come down to touch it again. Then it will go up, or it will not. From here, it will go in upward, my friend. Till now, there is no divergence, no nothing. So the cable is going to go more than that. So that's it, my friend, for the cable. The other pair we got is the Aussie, my friend. The Aussie, same thing as you see it here. What we got here in that place. As you see it, my friend. We got a head and shoulder here. But that one, it's being broken, my friend. So you calculate him from here to here. And you put the target is going to be here at that level here of 0.73464, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. Levels we got, my friend. First level here 0.73464. Another level here 0.72473. Another level here 0.71837. Another level here 0.71011. And that one here 0.70078. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Same thing here. As you see it, my friend, we got here the trend line or the divergence line, my friend. It's being touched here. It go up. My view to that one is going to come down maybe to that one to touch it again. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the Aussie, my friend. The other pair we got is USD Japanese yen. Even that one, my friend, what you got here, as you see it, here, 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 and here. You got there a head and shoulder, very, very, very clear, my friend. It hasn't been broken yet. It's going upward again. So be aware of that one, my friend. And you can even draw here a triangle like that. So my view to it, my friend, it will go in upward to touch here the trend line again. Then after that, it will drop again, my friend. Everything is too clear. Levels we got, my friend. First level here where we are now, 133.792. Another level here, 131.754. Another level here, 130.110. And that one here, 128.395, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see here, what we got, same thing we got here, a divergence trend line. If you remember from here, every time the price he touch it, it drop again. So now it came, it touched down. It's going to come upward to touch it again here. When it's going to touch it, my friend, you can enter short again, take profit, you take it down here, my friend, at the oversold area. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the USD Japanese yen, my friend. The other pair we got is the gold, my friend. The gold, we make a mistake. Last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to drop, but it doesn't. But also, if you remember, we enter from here till here now, my friend. I'm still holding. The only thing I'm doing is just moving the stop loss up and up and up. I don't know when it's going to be hit. So my view to it this week, my friend, is going to make a correction till here. It's going to go up or till here. Then after that, it's going to drop. Why till there? Because also here we got a zone, my friend. As you see it here, we got a zone. So it's going to touch it again. Then after that, it's going to drop. We don't know till where it's going to drop. Everything is too clear, my friend. So the levels we got, my friend, first level here 1820.25, another level here 1796.83, another level here 1775.17, another level here 1750.89, and that one here 1733.34, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see here in the RSI, my friend, why me I told you it's going to drop, because it's giving us here a divergence, as you see it like that. Till now, it's not to hit it again. My view to it is going to come upward and hit it again. Then after that, it's going to drop. But here, if you remember, also we still have here the divergence. So let me delete those ones, the previous one. Here, we still have the divergence line. That one will push it from down. That way, also we enter from down. Because of the divergence, it hasn't been broken yet, my friend. It might is going just to come to touch it like that, then it will go upward. So be aware of that level, my friend. till it be break it like that. That's the right time for you to enter short, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the gold, my friend. The other pair we got is Dragon or British Pound Japanese Yen. That one, my friend, my view to it is going to come upward to touch that trend line as we draw here. Then after that is going to drop down. So make a close attention to that trend line here, because you can even draw here a triangle like that, as you see it, my friend. When it's going to come to touch it like that, it might from there is going to drop. And here, if you see here in the smaller here, what the chart try to give you here, it's giving you a head and shoulder there, my friend, but it hasn't break the neck yet. So you make a close attention to that one. When it break it, the target is going to be maybe here, maybe here. So be aware of those things, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 164.679. Another level here, 161.870. That one here, 159.863, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see here in the RSI, what we got, my friend, we got here the trend line. Here in the RSI is more clear than the chart. As you see it, every time it touch it, it fall down. Now it came here. My view to it is going to come and touch the trend line here again. Then after that, it's going to drop to the oversold area, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for this week, my friend. See you in the next week. And if you are a Bitcoin trader, see you in the daily candle. Finish it, my friend. Bye for now, my friend.